Welcome today in front of me Vivo V23, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that just click here to the lock screen and wallpaper section. Now just tap here to wallpaper, and here you can select the all of the default wallpapers here which we can select, or also we can use our device local images previously taken for the on our device, or download it from the internet, for example. Or also we can click here to download more and select the wallpapers from the internet, the online wallpapers. For example, we can go, I'll show you how we can use the default ones. So just click here for example to this wallpaper, click to apply, and click set to lock screen. This wallpaper applied successfully. We get here the message, as can you see, and now as can you see we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper. And also by the same way, just click to download more and select one from these wallpapers, for example this one. Click here to OK. Now we can just click here to preview, or also we can download this wallpaper, but be sure that you are connected to the internet or to the Wi-Fi, to another mobile data. And then just click here to apply, and we want to set this wallpaper as a lock screen. Wait a second, and now as can you see we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.